So do you remember this crash right here? The crash between Barcia and Ferrandis, where obviously Ferrandis ran him wide, Barcia ran the corner wide and took Ferrandis out. Well, that crash is now not only going to hurt Ferrandis in that race or in his comeback from injury, but also going to hurt him in the MX of Nations being injured again. It's being reported by Jason Wagner, I can't say his last name, I'm not even gonna try. Quote, Star Racing says Ferrandis has herniated discs in his back, not good, might be out for donations. They're not happy with Barcia. I mean, obviously, France is going to be not happy with Barcia. Herniated discs are not a quick turnaround injury, especially since they can, to get them fixed is a big deal, and there's always the chance that they might flare up again. And I believe he's 29, so it's not even like he's a young kid that can heal from this easily. But yeah, lasting consequences to this. Obviously, it's not good anyways for an injury like that, for a lifelong injury like that. But really hurts Team France, really hurts Ferrandis, because this is coming back from the broken hand or broken wrist, whatever, his injury in Supercross, coming back, couldn't defend his title in motocross, comes back for a round or two and ends up getting hurt and massively injured again. So this sucks on many levels for him. Obviously, you're either on the side of Barcia is the worst human being of all time, or Ferrandis isn't exactly the cleanest racer either, and that he kind of pushed Barcia wide. It depends on where you go, or it depends on what you believe, but there is no other side to this. There is 50-50. You're either on one side of this or the other. Either you hate Barcia, or you hate him, or you hate Ferrandis. But either way, tell me what you think in the comments below. Again, do you hate Barcia? Do you hate Ferrandis? Do you think it was a clean pass? Do you not? Who do you think they're going to have replaced Ferrandis with for the Team France and the MX of Nation held at Red Bud this year? Make sure to do all the fun things you can in this platform. Like, share, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when I'm posting more. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.